Alright, hello everyone, welcome to the new week. In this week, we plan to move to the new section on data storage and representation, which is more focused on storing data in the real-world machines. We'll introduce lots of information about data storage as well as something coordinated to the machines for you. So a reminder, we will have two deadlines in this week by the Friday for both the report paper 2 summary as well as the stage 2 report for the project. Please remember these two deadlines. It will be due by Friday midnight, and the submission will be in the PDF documents to be uploaded to the Canvas system. The deadline will be firm and fixed, no extension will be granted, and all the data submissions will be ignored and will not accept the data submissions. And the slides for the new section has been uploaded to the schedule spreadsheet as well. You can click this link, then you will be able to download the slides for yourself to review the materials we plan to discuss about. Alright, let's move to the slides lectures, and we will introduce the materials about data storage and representation. Okay, so before we have been further on introducing the basic information about database fundamentals. If you still remember, in the previous section, we have talked about different models for database system, like the ER model, the relational model. We also introduced the relational algebra and the SQL, the basic information for you as well. Before we assume the data stored in machines, however, we have no idea about how the data is stored actually. We just assume the machine is ready there and we can just use it for storing the data into the system. Then in this section, we move to an advanced topic on data storage and the representation. We will show details how the data is stored in the machines and what kinds of storage components can be used for storing these different kinds of data in the machines. So our plan for this section, we will provide a brief introduction for the memory hierarchicals for you. We will introduce some basic information for the cache, register, RAM, memory, as well as storage, the disk, and the other external storage spaces. And then we will introduce how to store the specific data into the machines. And we show the representation of data in the machine for storing both the integer, the floats, strings, as well as for specific records into the machine. Besides that, we will also show some basic information about the file system in the database system as well, which shows the basic information for a block, including the head, as well as the space for storing the records as well. Alright, so we will have so many materials to be discussed in this section, and you can also check back. I think this section is coordinated to the operating system, especially the file system, as well as the computer architectures on both the memory, the register, the cache, as well as the disks. So when you are going over the materials in this section, you can also check back the materials you learned before for the both operating system as well as the machine architectures.